To start building smart contracts with Algorand Python, let's learn how to set up your development environment. All of the installation links are in the description, so make sure you go to the description and install all of the pre-requirements. First, we'll use VS Code for all code examples. Also, AlgoKit is best integrated with VS Code, so install VS Code. Second, install Python 3.12 or higher, and you can do so at the official Python website. I personally recommend using PyEnv to easily switch between Python versions. Third, install Docker Desktop. You'll use Docker to run the local Algorand blockchain on your computer. Fourth, install AlgoKit, an all-in-one Algorand development tool, including local blockchain, various utility frameworks, various helpful commands, and more. Algorand Python is also included in AlgoKit, and we will use the Algorand Python smart contract template for all code examples. Now go to the Getting Started with AlgoKit guide on the developer portal and complete the tutorial. If you successfully deployed and called the default Hello World smart contract, you're all set and ready to start coding.